So what's up guys? So welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ang channel na ito ay nagtuturo ng online tutorials, review investment platforms, at kung gusto mong kumita gamit ang earning site, kung interesado ka sa ganitong content, huwag mong kalimutan magpindot ng subscribe button at hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa susunod nating videos. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes. So what's up guys? Welcome back to our new videos, new guide, and new tutorial. So important announcement to all by Citi. Please verify your wallet address. So first and foremost, we apologize for the convenience caused today. So a group of malicious individuals. So you must verify your wallet address to all by Citi users. So this is the application. So BitGet is the best recommend. So first, you must have to download the BitGet application crypto market, and you must verify it first before you add your wallet address. And after that, search the by city, and here is it, the network. Network is BIP20, BSC, Binance Smart Chain. And after that, you must copy the address and paste it to, we have a Kiwi browser, and go to the browser and search the app.bycity.com/user. So here's the dashboard. So first, add wallet address, copy URL, and go to the browser and paste it to the URL bar and go. And after that, here we go, the withdrawal confirmation. So put your email address, and the wallet address came from BitGet. So again, deposit the crypto, search the by city, and click the network is BEC or Binance Smart Chain, and copy the wallet address in your screen, and then go to the browser and paste it to the wallet address and click send confirmation button here. This is we're going to do guys, and how to verify your wallet address. We send email for confirmation. So go to your email address, Gmail account. So we have to confirm. So refresh your Gmail application and just wait for a moment. And by Citi support withdraw confirmation case, copy URL to confirm and paste it again into the URL bar and go. And here is it, your wallet is approved. So that's how to verify your wallet address on BuyCity. To all BuyCity user, just go to the app.bycity.com and verify your wallet address. So your withdrawal date is depend on your stage. Oh, for mine is stage 9. Stage 9. So you must add your wallet address to verify. So that's it guys. So how to verify your wallet address on BuyCity, and just wait for the exact date depend on the stage or level that you are. So follow for more tips and guide. If you have more questions, just comment down below.